Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to make a toothpaste tube from paper. It was used as a prop during an animate show by my son in their school. So he used it as a prop. For this I am taking this A4 size paper and I will fold it. Just fold it like this. And I will apply glue there. Paste it from here and from here. Paste it from here also. Apply some glue here also. So first of all I am applying some glue here. Okay, so I have applied glue here. Now press it gently to paste it. Look, it is pasted from here. It's pasted. Now I will apply some glue here also to paste this side. So I have pasted from this side also. Now let it dry. Leave it as it is to let it dry first. So it is dried. Now I will write down the name of toothpaste here. It's done. Now I will write down the name of toothpaste. I have named the toothpaste as Dant Rakshak. Now I will use red sketch pen over it to highlight the name. Okay, it's done. Now I will use red crayon to color it. Okay, now make lines from sketch pen. And fill it. Now I have these newspaper tearings. Now I will fill up this tube with this newspaper tearings. Just crush them, put inside to fill it. So I have filled up this toothpaste tube with this newspaper like this. Now I will cover it from white paper, cutting of circle size. So I will cut out a circle of this size and paste it here to close it. So I have drawn a circle of this size. I will cut it out and paste it over there. So I have cut out this. Now I will paste it here to cover it. Just paste it here to close the tube. So it will turn out like a cap of toothpaste. So our toothpaste prop is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, please don't forget to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye. Take care.